everybody. My name is Cinderella, and I'm going to teach you how to make something fresh. Now, today, I'm going to teach you how to make mashed potatoes. But it is going to be a very hard thing, so you're going to have to watch out. It's a grown-up thing to do it for you. First, you start to mix.
They have it for $5.99 at Gerstbeck.
Then you add a little
They
salt.
have mashed potatoes and corn.
Then you start to add some potatoes.
It's too much there. It's more money.
And you fry them up.
It is. A lot more.
Garbage at Gerstbeck's. All right.
Fried chicken.
They got garbage.
It's fried chicken.
They got garbage.
All right, well, what about Royal Farms chicken?
I don't like. I hate their chicken.
Really? So
And there you are. Pies!
Gerstbeck's has good
And
fried
there you are.
chicken.
But,
Huh?
and here you are, mashed potatoes. I hope to see you again on another Barbie cooking show. See you later.
Gerstbeck's
Mwah.
Gerstbeck's has good fried chicken.
I don't see why you avoid the question all the time.